Hey family, welcome back to our channel. Today is a special milestone in the Crawford household because we're about to head out of town for the very first time with our baby journey. We're going to celebrate Shannon's birthday and our 5-year wedding anniversary. Oh, and there's one more thing. It's a surprise. Shh.
Okay, whoever's been following us for a while, you know that every time we go on a road trip, I try to guess where we're going because he surprises me. I thought we were going to Joshua Tree.
Oh, okay.
I think we're going to Thailand. I never guess it, so I don't know if I'm going to be like 0 for 10 or something.
Such a rookie mistake.
I don't know, but I had an idea of where we were going, but now I kind of want to change that idea because now I'm looking and I'm like,
don't be that way.
We're not going that way. We're not going. But I initially thought that we were going back to Vegas.
Wrong.
But then I said I was like I want to change it because I was like looking at where we're going. I'm like, this is not the way to Vegas. Yes, I was wrong. So that's like 0 for 11 now. So where are we going?
San Diego.
Okay, going to San Diego. You cannot say these things don't look like nipples.
It's a nuclear reactor.
I know that, but they look like nipples. Things you do when you check in, and you can get a drink, and then you go to the bar and you say work it, and you get a little special drink. So that's what we're doing right now.
Both are 21 or older.
Parents. You need 2 probably.
Oh, happy birthday!
Thank you.
Vodka.
Nice and strong. So we have checked into the hotel. It's pretty cute. It's giving me like New York speakeasy vibe. So it's super cute. But what do you think? Yep, see, he's getting comfortable. So he just let me know that we have a reservation for dinner. So we're gonna get ready. Catch you later. Whatever. Whatever. He's making fun of me about my shoes. Whatever. I'm wearing clogs. There's nothing wrong with clogs.
Anniversary extravaganza.
Yeah, you don't ask for that here.
Excuse me, sir.
Thinking he might ask for crushed red peppers. I'm like, no, we don't do that here.
They don't look at me like I was poor. I'm uncivilized.
And take the pizza back and kick us. Look what they bought. And more champagne. What is it, gold? Yeah. We're eating gold right
now. Keep going.
We ate gold.
It's like, you can see the gold flakes. It's like, wow, there's gold flakes in my cake. It's good. It's everything I thought it would be. Like, it smells good. Good. Alright, so dinner was good. I ate my fill. He ate his. So now what we're doing, we're just gonna walk these calories off because I definitely ate double the calories today. But it's my birthday and our anniversary, so I can do that. So that's what we're gonna do. Gonna walk around. So what is one thing that we might be doing tomorrow?
Driving a Cadillac. Driving a Cadillac.
One of the amenities here is you get to drive a Cadillac with a full tank of gas
For 4 hours.
for 4 hours. So that might be a possibility tomorrow. I think you have to call to see if there's any availability. But so far, I think it might be a good bet that we'll be rolling in a Cadillac tomorrow.
Cadillac grills.
Cadillac grills, Cadillac mills. Check out the oil my Cadillac spills.
So yeah, we're gonna enjoy. They have some nice plush robes here, and y'all know how I feel about nice plush robes. So I'm about to enjoy. Maybe have a little bit more wine. Watch some forensics files. If you know, you know. Yeah. Good night. Good morning, folks. We are heading to get breakfast. So I think we're going down. Stop! Oh my God, he does that every time. I can't stand it. Let me tell y'all, he has a compilation of all those videos where he's chasing me. Even when I was pregnant and I couldn't run. Anyway, we're getting ready to go to breakfast. We're going to the same place where we had dinner. Provisional. So let's check out breakfast. Okay, so they just brought us a free fruit platter. It said on us, so it's nice. Feel pampered on my birthday. Now I gotta go and get dressed up so I can enjoy the rest of the day. And hopefully he don't chase me everywhere.
Can't make any promises.
Luckily, I'm dressed like this. I'm in my sneakers so I could get away. Any other time I'd be in heels and sandals.
Got him. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. And a strawberry basil.
Nice. Thank you.
This one will be the milk and the cream.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Enjoy.
She pretty.
To another year around the sun.
Yeah. Man. Putting my breakfast burrito to shame, but it still look good though. It still look good. Ooh, it just made your day. So you know, last night we were like, don't ask for chili flakes because this pepper flakes probably ain't gonna have it.
The waiter just came by and was like, "Do you need Parmesan chili flakes?" And his eyes just lit up like, "Oh my God, yes, chili flakes." So yeah, just gonna have some chili flakes on that pizza.
Leave me alone.
Oh, you fancy now.
I told you leave me alone.
So we were at breakfast and we got to eating good and talking good. We didn't get a chance to do the Cadillac, but if you ever are here at the Pendry, that's an amenity. Rent the Cadillac for like, well, it's not renting, they give it to you for 4 hours. So yeah, full tank of gas, that's what's sold. So do that, but we're just gonna go and kind of explore the city before heading back to LA. Right. Right. Checking out. I think it's been pretty fun for 24 hours. But I miss my baby. Go ahead, look around before we head back to go see her. So of course, David being the money guy, he got this promotion. He'll explain it a little bit later about how he booked it, but we got like $100 credit. So he's the guy that doesn't want to leave any money on the table. So before we head out, getting some more drinks. That's what we're doing. I know it seems like we might be a bunch of alcoholics. We're not. We're just parents on a little vacation. But yeah, he's like, I'm not leaving any money on the table. We got $40 left. About to use this $40. So that's what we're doing.
Whoop.
Alrighty. Getting on the road. Thank you, San Diego.